before that, some concepts are there. See that one. Okay. Now here. Now before starting any problem set, okay, some points you have to clear. So this is a circle. Okay. And this is a circle. Again I am drawing. Wait. This is a circle. Okay. Now see, this is the inside portion of the circle. This is the outside portion. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? ये है interior part and this one is the exterior part. Now here I am putting some dots. Okay, I am putting some points. X, Q, V. Outside points are A, Z, H, and on the circle I am putting points. On this curve circles, on the circumference I am putting L and here M. Okay, so this is my diagram. Now see student, the points which are inside the circle, are called as interior points. जो points circle के अंदर होते हैं, okay, जो points circle के अंदर होते हैं, that points are known as interior points. Okay, so point X, point Q and point V are interior points. Okay, the points which are inside the circle are called as interior points. The points which are outside of the circle are known as exterior points. जो पॉइंट सर्कल के बाहर होते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है एक्सटेरियर पॉइंट. So here point A, point Z and point H are outside of the circle. ये सर्कल के ऊपर नहीं है, सर्कल के अंदर नहीं है, सर्कल के बाहर है. So these points are called as exterior points. Okay. Now point L and point M, these 2 points on the circumference, this point on the curve area, curve line के ऊपर ये 2 points है. Okay, these points on the curve line. So these points are called as points on the circle. इनको point M और point L को हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? Points on the circle. Okay, understood everyone? Understood? Interior points means the points which are inside. Exterior points means the points which are outside of the circle, and the points on the circle, this point M and point L. Okay? Understood everyone? This concept is clear to you? Now, next, arc. What is meant by arc? Arc means curve surface, curve line. Okay, now this is my circle and AB is my chord. Now this chord AB is dividing this circle into 2 parts. ये जो chord AB है वो circle को 2 parts में divide कर रही है, part 1 and part 2. Okay, so this is a separate curve area और ये नीचे वाला एक curve area है. Okay, so this curve part is called as arc. The part which is cut by the chord is called as arc. chord के वजह से जो सर्कल के 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं उसके हर एक पार्ट को आर्क कहा जाता है. Okay, arc. Okay, ARC. So this is one arc and this is one arc. So how will name this arc? Arc AB. ऐसे कहेंगे क्या? If we say arc AB, तो AB तो ऊपर वाला part 1, ये भी तो आर्क हो गया ए बी और नीचे वाला भी आर्क ए बी हो गया. So this is not a way to say to name the arc. How will name the arc? Okay, the arc name should be 3 letters only. Arc का नेम हमेशा कैसे होना चाहिए? 3 letters का ही होना चाहिए. Okay, so this AB chord is dividing circle into 2 parts. Okay, so how will name the arc? Arc ADB. Okay, how will name the arc? Arc ABD. Okay, ऐसे हम लोग arc को नाम देंगे. Arc ABD. Okay, and our second arc is arc AXB. Our second arc is arc AXB. पहला arc क्या होगा? ADB. And second arc AXC. Now, sorry, AXB. AXB. So A and B are the end points of the chord. Okay, वो आपका end point ये chord के 2 points ही आने चाहिए. See, while writing the name of the angle, we use the 3 letters. Without 3 letters, the angle name not completed. So like this, the arc name should be in a 3 letters only. Okay. So arc ABD and second arc is AXB. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है आपको arc? Okay, everyone understood this arc? So now we are going to start problem set 29. Yesterday we finished the problem set 28, not 30, 29. Okay, so we are going to start problem set 29. And yesterday I told you that diameter is twice in length of radius. Okay, diameter का length radius के double होता है. And radius is half of the diameter. और radius diameter के आधे होता है, half होता है. Okay, okay. So on this problem set is best. Okay, so problem set 29. Question number 1. If the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, what will its diameter be? Okay, if the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter, एक circle का radius 5 centimeter है, then what will its diameter be? तो उसका diameter क्या होगा? So how will solve this example? First write radius. Whatever information is given in the question, write down that first. Okay, वो पहले लिखना है हमें. जो हमें diameter, जो example, sorry, जो सम में हमें जो कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दिया जाता है, we have to write that first. So here given radius of a circle is 5 centimeter. So we will write first radius equals to 5 centimeter. What they told us to find out? Diameter. Okay, so this is the formula of diameter. Diameter equals to 2 into radius. Diameter radius के double होता है, so we'll multiply by 2. अगर रेडियस दिया है और डायमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है तो उस वक्त विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. डायमीटर इक्वल्स टू 2 into रेडियस. ओके, सो गिव अगेन इक्वल साइन. 2 will come as it is. What is diameter? 5. Okay, so 2 5s are 10. But what 10? Already measure unit is given over here. Already यहाँ पे यूनिट दिया गया है सेंटीमीटर. So in answer also that unit will come centimeter. अगर क्वेश्चन में जो यूनिट दिया है वही सेम यूनिट will come in the answer. Okay, आंसर में भी सेम यूनिट आना चाहिए. If the radius is 5 centimeter, then our diameter is 10 centimeter. Okay, our diameter will be 10 centimeter. हमारा diameter क्या आएगा? 10 centimeter, because our formula is diameter equals to 2 into radius. So 2 and into radius. Radius is 5. So 2 5s are 10. So diameter is 10 centimeter. Okay, okay everyone. Second question. If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, now see, diameter is given now. If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, what will its radius be? Okay, now diameter is given. Diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter. डायमीटर दिया गया है 6 सेंटीमीटर. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रेडियस. ओके, डायमीटर का हाफ होता है रेडियस. करेक्ट, रेडियस के डबल होता है डायमीटर और डायमीटर का हाफ होता है रेडियस. सो हियर we'll write the given information first. Diameter equals to 6 centimeter. Correct. Now we have to find out radius. हमें क्या find out करना है? Radius. So this is a formula to find the radius. Radius equals to diameter divided by 2. Radius equals to diameter by 2. Okay. So radius equals to diameter by 2. So our diameter is given in the question 6 centimeter. 6 by 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So our answer is 3. But 3 what? Which unit will come over here? Centimeter, because in the question centimeter is given. So in answer also what will come? Centimeter only. So radius equals to 3 centimeter. Okay. Okay, understood everyone? Okay. Now here. Now we have to complete that. We have to complete this table. Now somewhere radius is given, somewhere diameter is given. So using that formula, we have to find out the diameter and radius also. So in the first question, radius is given. Radius equals to 4 centimeter. I am writing only R, but you will write the full word radius. Okay, RADIUS, radius. Radius is equals to 4 centimeter. We have to find out diameter. We have to find out this diameter. So what is the formula for diameter? Diameter is equals to 2 into radius. Diameter find out करने का formula क्या है? 2 into radius. Okay, so 2 into, tell me the radius, 4. So 2 4s are 8. So our answer is 8 centimeter, because in the question centimeter is given. So in answer also centimeter will come. So our diameter is 8 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Second, again the radius is given 8 centimeter. We have to find out diameter. Okay, we have to find out diameter. Again, formula for diameter. Diameter is equals to 2 into radius. Diameter का formula क्या है? 2 into radius. So 2 will come as it is. What? Tell me the radius. 8 centimeter. Okay, so 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 what? Centimeter. 16 centimeters. So our diameter is 16 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Now diameter is given. We have to find out radius. Now diameter is given. Diameter equals to 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. We have to find out radius. अभी डायमीटर दिया है, हमें फाइंड आउट करना है रेडियस. ओके, तो रेडियस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? रेडियस इक्वल्स टू डायमीटर बाय 2. रेडियस इक्वल्स टू डायमीटर बाय 2. करेक्ट. सो टेल मी द डायमीटर. 18 सेंटीमीटर बाय 2. करेक्ट. 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 18 बाय 2 ही लिखेंगे ना. डायमीटर हमारा क्या दिया गया है यहाँ पे? 18. सो 18 बाय 2. नाउ से द 2 टाइम्स टेबल टिल 18. 2 टाइम्स का टेबल बोलो 18 तक. What will come? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So 9 what? Centimeter. Because diameter is given in centimeter. So 9 centimeter is the radius of a circle. Okay. Okay. 18 का half 9 centimeter. Understood? Okay, so our radius is 9 centimeter. Second, again diameter is given 22 centimeter. We have to find out radius. We have to find out radius. So radius is equals to diameter by 2. हमारा formula है radius equals to, radius निकालना है तो formula क्या use करेंगे? Diameter by 2. Our diameter is 22 centimeter. And will divide by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 22 का half, 11 centimeter, because centimeter is given in the question only. So in answer also centimeter will come. Same unit will become. Okay. So our radius is 11 centimeter. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now problem set 30. Okay. Now in the table below, write the names of the points in the interior and exterior of the circle and those on the circle. Now only I explain the points which are inside the circle are called interior points. जो points circle के अंदर होते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं interior points. The points which are on the exterior outside of the circle are called exterior points. जो points circle के बाहर होते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है एक्सटेरियर पॉइंट्स. और कर्व लाइन पे सर्कल के ऊपर जो पॉइंट्स होते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं पॉइंट्स ऑन दी सर्कल. सिंपल, जो पॉइंट्स सर्कल के ऊपर होते हैं उनको कहा जाता है पॉइंट्स ऑन दी सर्कल. ओके, सिंपल वन. So we'll solve this exercise, very simple exercise. Okay, so this is the diagram given to us. Okay, here first points in the interior part of the circle. सर्कल के इंटीरियर पार्ट में रहने सर्कल के अंदर जो पॉइंट्स है इंटीरियर पार्ट में जो पॉइंट्स है वी हैव टू राइट दैट पॉइंट्स. ओके, सो see this is the interior part of the circle. This is the interior part of the circle. Okay, so we have to tell the points which are in the interior part. Okay, so we have to tell the interior points. Here we are seeing point Y, point R, point T and point X. These 4 points are inside the circle, so these are the interior points. So write here point Y, point R, point T and point X are the points which are inside the circle. So these are the interior points. These are the interior points. Okay, now points in the exterior of the circle. सर्कल के बाहर होने वाले पॉइंट्स को लिखना है. ओके, द पॉइंट्स विच आर आउटसाइड ऑफ द सर्कल. सो पॉइंट्स इन द एक्सटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल. सो सी हियर आई एम सीइंग वन पॉइंट. Okay, here I am seeing one point outside of the circle and here also I am seeing one point. So we'll write that point, point W, point M and point Z. These are the exterior points. Point M, point W and point Z are the points which are outside of this circle. So these are the exterior points. Exterior points. Okay, and the points on the circle. सर्कल के ऊपर रहने वाले पॉइंट्स को बताना है. पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कल. सो आई एम सीइंग हियर ओनली 2 points, this N and P. These 2 points on the circle only. So point P and point N are the points which are on the circle. Okay, ये सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट्स है कि जो सर्कल के ऊपर है, पॉइंट P and point N. Okay, very simple. We have to tell only the points inside the circle. These points are known as interior points. Outside the circle, exterior points and points on the circle. तीन ही points बताना है, interior, exterior and on the circle. Okay, understood till here? Understood everyone? Problem set 30. Now problem set 31. Now everyone please pay attention. Problem set 31. Last exercise of the 7th lesson and please pay attention. This exercise is based on the arc. Okay, this exercise is based on the arc. Now in the figure given alongside this figure, okay, in the figure given alongside point S, point L, point M and here point is not given N. So point N are on the circle. ये चारों point क्या है? On the circle. Okay, answer the questions with the help of the diagram. Now we have to give the answer of the with the help of this diagram. Write the names of the arcs with end with points S and M. हमें ऐसे आर्क्स का नाम बताना है जो पॉइंट S और M से एंड होते हैं. ओके ओके, so we'll tell the arcs name. Okay, with end with the point S and point M. So S L M, this arc. This is the first arc for S L M. Okay, we can't say SM only. Okay, S L M. This is the first arc. Arc S L M. This is the first arc. Okay, which ends with the point S or M. S or M इन दोनों पॉइंट से ही वो एंड हो रही है ना आर्क. So you have to tell the arc name which ends with the points S and M. So arc S L M. This is the first arc S L M, and our second arc is S N M. Second arc is S N M. ओके, ये हमारा सेकेंड आर्क है. S N M, arc S N M. This is our second arc which ends with the point S and M. ये दो पॉइंट से एंड होने वाली आर्क दूसरी कौन सी है? S N M. ओके ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? अंडरस्टूड? नाउ our second question is, write the names of the arcs which ends with the point L and N. यहाँ पे L है, यहाँ पे N है. Now we have to tell the arc name which ends with the L and M. A, L और M point से end होने वाली arc का नाम बताना है. So our first arc is L S N. Our first arc is L S N. This is our first arc which ends with the point L and N. So first arc is L S N, and second arc is L M N. Second arc is L M N. This is the point L M N. This is our second arc. Correct, no? So we have to tell the arc name which ends with the L and N. L और N इन पॉइंट से एंड होने वाली आर्क का नाम बताना है. So that arc should be 3 letters. The arc name should be in 3 letters only. So first arc is L S N. This is our first arc, L S N, and second arc is L M N. L M N. But you will not write only letters. Before this arc, you will write in words also. R L M N. मैं बोले जा रही हूँ, बार बार सेम नेम रिपीट कर रही हूँ. But I am saying arc also. So arc L M N, and second arc, first arc is L S N. Arc L S N. Okay. Don't forget to write arc. Okay. Understood this question? Now, our second question. Second question. Okay, this is our second question. Here I am drawing the diagram because this diagram is on the backside slide. Okay, so I am writing here A, B. I am putting line over here, but you will give the dots. Okay, C and D. Okay, so write the names of the arcs that points A, B, C, D and A, B, C, D in the given circle give rise to. We have to tell the arcs name with the point A, B, C, D ए, बी, सी और डी इन पॉइंट से स्टार्ट होने वाली, अब एंड होने वाली नहीं पूछा, सिर्फ स्टार्ट होने वाली आर्क का नाम बताना है. सो विल ओनली मूव in an anti-clockwise. Okay, so I'll take the color red for your understanding. Okay, so first we'll take the point A. So our first arc A B C. This is our first arc A B C with the point A. Point A से start होने वाली पहली arc कौन सी है हमारी? Arc A B C. Okay. Now second point B. Now I'll take the yellow color for you. So point B हम लोग लेंगे. Point B से start होने वाले arc B C D. Arc B C D. Okay. Okay. Arc B C D. See here. Arc B C D. Now third with the point C. Point C से start होने वाली C D A. R C D A. See here. R C D A. Okay. And the last with the point D. Point D से start होने वाली arc हमें find out करना है. Arc D A B. Arc, I'll use the black color so you will understand. Arc D A B. ओके. पॉइंट्स डी से स्टार्ट होने वाली कौन सी है? आर डी ए बी. सी हियर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन. फर्स्ट ए से स्टार्ट होने वाली आर ए बी सी टिल हियर. बी से स्टार्ट होने वाली बी सी डी हियर. सी से स्टार्ट होने वाली सी डी ए till here, and D से start होने वाली R D A B till here. Okay, we'll take the three points. Okay, it's clear to you everyone? Okay, now last question. Again same question. We have to tell the arc's name. Okay, which starts with the point P. Which starts with the point P, Q, R, S, T. With these 5 points: point P, point Q, point R, point S, and point T. ये 5 points ने बनाई हुई arc हमें बताना है. So we'll take the first red. Okay, to tell the point P. पॉइंट पी से स्टार्ट होने वाली आर्क. पॉइंट पी. आर पी क्यू आर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट आर्क मेड बाय द पॉइंट पी. पॉइंट पी से बनी हुई पहली आर्क कौन सी है? आर पी क्यू आर. डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट आर्क. आर्क को लिखना भूलना नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट आर्क इज आर पी क्यू आर. इट इज रिटन ओवर हियर. नाउ सेकेंड आर्क with the point Q. Q R S. See in yellow. R Q R S. This arc is made by the point Q. Okay. So R Q R S. This is our second arc. Third arc with the point R. R से बनी हुई arc बताना है. R R S T. R S T. This is our third arc made by the point R. Arc R S T. Now fourth arc which is made by the point S. S से बनी हुई arc को बताना है. R S T P. R S T P. See here. Okay. Arc S T P. This is our fourth arc made by the point S, and the last one made by the point T. T P Q. R T P Q. This is our last arc made by the point T. R T P Q. Okay. T, P, Q. Understood? Understood everyone? Very simple. We have to move only in the clockwise direction. सिर्फ clockwise direction में हमें घूमना है. Okay? And we'll get our arcs. Okay? Arc हमें मिल जाएंगे. Everyone understood the chapter number 7?